is the M300, all put back together. Just been testing the, I don't know how you pronounce it, HuanYang Vfd that turned up day before yesterday. Bit of a wait with it, but got it eventually. Goodwin Technology DRO is on. Nice bit of kit, not too difficult to fit, but it does take you a bit of time. You've got to make up a few brackets, drill and tap a few holes, but well worth it in the end. There's the scale I mounted for the cross slide and the reader in the middle. And then there's the scale and the reader is mounted, hard to see, right under there. Got the motor guard off at the moment while I was setting things up and tensioning the belts and checking, but the splash guard's got to go back on, but I'm probably going to cut it down and reduce it a little bit because it sticks out quite far. But in general, it's pretty much all there by the wiring now. All good, but the wiring as yet not done. I've got new switches. There's no original wiring on it at the minute. It's direct connection to the VFD. I'm keeping the forward and reverse lever original, so that's going to be rewired via the original switches in the end cabinet. New emergency stop, mushroom button, twist release, new pilot light, a run or enable button fitted in there, and there is the original limit switch under the end cover. But let's just go through the speeds. I'll go through the speeds with you. The VFD, now people have helped me set it up properly, doesn't have any issues with any of the speeds, even from cold. The only ones I won't show you is the 17 and the 25, only because I'm not sure if this chuck should be spun up. It's only a small chuck, so I may well do it. I have to put the camera down because jogging the spindle sometimes just to get it in gear. So if we are now in 40 RPM. $58. $85. Just disengage the lead screw for this. 125.
Alright, so all this week we are giving you the chance to see Drake live on his Boy Meets World tour. So exciting. If you've registered at kissfmuk.com, then be listening out for your name.
180.
You've got 10 minutes to call back and claim your ticket. If you don't listen, then it's who wanted to see Drake in London. So if that's
260.
Taj meets Carnesia, use the first fact right now. 0 Taj meets Carnesia. You've got 10 minutes, so you need to call us by 4:40. Get on it.
370. And I'll just show you, we've got the reverse and ramp up and down set currently, just to show you on here. That was 370. 540. 540. 800. $1,200. $17. Still a bit high pitched, but lovely quiet. And finally, 2,500 RPM. Not so bad. There we go. Next up, wire the original controls, and it's done.